A resistance spot welder is designed to deliver a low-voltage, high-current electrical pulse. The weld electrodes are made of copper because copper has a low resistance to current flow, which allows it to conduct electricity with ease. Steel is a very poor conductor of electricity, and it will resist the weld current as it flows from the spot welder. The friction created by the current forcing its way through the metal heats the weld area to over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The squeeze pressure from the weld electrodes now compresses the molten area and fuses the two metal surfaces into one solid nugget. By maintaining the squeeze pressure for a short time after the weld current is shut off, which is known as hold time, the molecules in the welded material remain compressed as the weld cools. This additional pressure results in a much stronger weld.